Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Children. I hope you're safe and well. Today, I'm delighted to be joined by Dr. Laura Moody, who is the product manager. And I have to read this out. It's always a long title when you talk to all these people. Primary Packaging, Liquid Pharma, North America. And Laura, actually, if you remember, was a guest of mine for Chats with Children not too long ago, actually, when we talked about ATMPs and cell and gene therapy and the challenges around manufacturing them. So it's lovely to see Laura again. How are you, Laura?
I am very well, and I've been loving watching you as you've been traveling to all these trade shows. Really love what you're posting on LinkedIn, so it's fun to be there and seeing the trade show from your point of view.
Well, that's lovely. And actually, that's a beautiful segue. And we didn't even plan this because actually, we're not going to be talking and doing a chat with children about a particular solution, but we're actually talking about Intephex next week because Intephex, as Laura quite rightly mentioned, live shows are back. And Intephex is running next week from the 19th to the 21st for the first time in a couple of years now, because it was virtual last year. Or was it even happening? I can't remember. Anyway, it's going to be live next week. And Syntegon have a presence there. So we thought we'd do a quick preview of what Syntegon will be showcasing at the event. So Laura, before those people are not familiar with Syntegon, would you mind just giving a very quick overview of Syntegon and who you are and what you do?
Sure. So Syntegon is the experts when it comes to processing and packaging for both the pharmaceutical industry and also the food industry. So if you have a product that needs to get into its primary container to be processed along the way before it gets into that primary container, Syntegon is the company to partner with.
Right, nice and simple, fantastic. And so next week, what is it that you will be showcasing and talking to customers about?
Sure. So it is the live world premiere of our latest R&D capsule filler, the GKF60. We'll have one on the booth that people can touch and feel and see. Also, my colleague, Philipp Stadel, will be discussing this new filler in the technical workshop on day one of the trade show. That's at 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Speaking of presentations, I will also be presenting about our Versynta small batch aseptic fill finish portfolio. That is on day 2 of the conference at 2:30, again in the technical theater. So be sure to stop by and check that out. On the booth, we'll have information about single-use technology, inspection technologies, sterilization, med tech assembly, tablet press, our service portfolio. We have information about everything. Also, we have information and ways for you to sign up for our free online isolator learning series, and all of our experts on the booth ready to discuss any questions that you or your colleagues might have.
That sounds very exciting. And have you got any machines on display at the show itself?
Yes, we have that new GKF60 that will be their world premiere again. We have single-use technology with our pumps, so people can practice putting tubing within our pumps, placing single-use filling needles into a needle holder. We also have a manual inspection hood as well that people can play around with, put themselves in the operator's seat during manual inspection. So lots of interactive items at the booth. We also have interactive videos and animations so people can see our entire portfolio for both liquid and solid filling.
Fantastic. I'm very jealous I can't be there next week, actually. But hey, once air travel resumes to the US, then hopefully I will be able to come and see you guys in person, maybe even in Minnesota, because look, I've got my Twins jersey up just for you, Laura. So there you go. So hopefully we can do that as well. Well, it sounds really, really exciting. For those people who unfortunately, like me, can't make it to the show, though, where can they get more information about Syntegon?
Sure. Step one, always visit our website, www.syntegon.com. That's your one-stop shop for our entire portfolio and information, technical information related there. But we're also very active on LinkedIn. So check us out on LinkedIn. We always have posts about the latest developments, how we're out and about in the world visiting trade shows or where we might be. So check us out there as well.
Fantastic. Well, Laura, I wish you lots of success next week. As I said, I'm very jealous I can't be there myself. So happy travels to New York and have a fantastic show.
Great. Thank you so much.
And thank you, viewers, for watching. I hope you found that interesting. As I said, if you happen to be in New York City, you might even be shopping. Check out Intephex. But even if you're not, and you are checking out Intephex, make sure you check out the Syntegon booth. There's lots going on, as Laura mentioned, and you can see the machines in person, physically test them out. And also, as Laura mentioned, there's lots of interactive activity as well. So please check out the Syntegon booth if you're there. And as always, all the time I say thank you very much, Laura, and thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.